Hello everyone. In this video we are going to solve the question which came recently in the bi-weekly contest on 14th of October, and we are given here a vector of string which can either have an integer value ranging from 1 to 100, and either it can be the number or it can be the keyword previous, denoted by prev. So in this example, let me walk through the example first. So I'm having a vector of strings given to us. So whenever I'm encountering a previous, I need to maintain a vector of answer, which is basically going to return the kth previous element. For example, here as we can see, a single k equals to 1, that is first previous element with respect to this keyword. So I am going to get this one. I'm going to get 1 second. Yeah. So I'm for this previous I'm going to get this. For the next previous I can see there are two consecutive previous. So k equals to 2 in this case, and I'm going to see which is the second last integer. So for this previous, the second last integer is, first is 2, next is 1. So for this the answer is 1. And last example, as we can see, last element, as we can see, for this we were asked to deliver the kth large element, and for this, as we can see, k equals to 3, and we do not have any third element when we are traversing backwards, so that in that case we are going to receive -1. Another example which is being given in the question is, let us consider this one. So basically for this previous I can see the first previous is 1, for this previous the first previous is 2, and for this previous I can see that I have first previous is this and next previous is this. So for this element actually k equals to 2, right? So the question is very straightforward, and in this question I'm basically iterating through the words array given to me. Whenever I'm encountering the keyword previous, I'm going to say okay, the number of previous required. I'm going to calculate actually the value of k. Like for in this example, when I was at on when I was at this index, I was required to find second last element. So here k equals to 2. How did I get this? I basically started my iteration from this pointer I minus 1, and I counted all the previous prev keyword so that I'm able to have a count of the value of k. So number of previous is I am getting through this loop. Also I'm going to check that whenever my n minus number of previous, by n I mean to say that while I'm iterating through the array, I'm going to store all the numbers in a vector so that I'm able to efficiently return the kth last element. So in case a valid index is found, that is for example k equals to 2, here k equals to 2 will be having 1. So I'm going to push back that element. In case k were to be equal to 3, for example, let's say another previous was there. So for this previous, k equals to 3, and so that in that case we are going to have a negative index, since n was equals to 2, n is the size of the array which I am maintaining, previous array, minus 3, which is the value of k, and so that this index is not valid, so I'm going to return -1. And this one I'm basically going to push back the integer values. I'm going to use stoi function in order to convert the string to integer. At last I'm going to return the answer. Thank you so much.